I will show you how to add and repurchase product in POS. So we have three apps we'll be using: POS, purchase, and inventory. So you can check here the apps. So we have point of sale, purchase, and inventory. Alright. I have here checklist, so we will not miss any steps, and you can see from each step there's a app that we will be using. Okay, so first we're gonna add vendor. Okay, we go to purchase, point of sale, sorry, purchase. We go to purchase, then we're gonna add vendor. So create. So example, we're gonna sell a USB or flash drive. So flash drive, let's say it's 8 gig. Okay. Okay, then you put information like sample is a computer supplier. Alright, then save it. Read to next step. Next step is create the product. Add POS category. So we go to point of sale, configuration, POS category. So we create the category. Example, this one is a computer parts. Computer parts. So we save it. Next is set the product type. Create the product. So we go here, products, then create the products. Okay, we have a USB flash drive. Let's say it's 8 gig. The product type is storable product. Okay, so example, the cost is 10, the tax is 12%, and the cost, we don't need to put this because we will set a rule here later. So barcode, this is very important. You can see from the item there's a barcode, you can punch it. Just put a dummy barcode here. Alright, so we set the price, the tax, and the of this cost is optional. So barcode, then we set the available in POS. So we go to sales, should be available in POS, then the category, so computer parts. Alright, next is add POS category, so computer parts, then add vendor for reordering. So from purchase, remember that we create a vendor. So I think it's USB. It's the vendor name again. Let's see here. No, go to purchase vendors. Paper supplier corp. I'm sorry, flash drive 8 GB. Okay. Okay. Let's edit it to supplier. Edit. And okay. So this is just an example. Then we go back here in POS. Then we add the vendor. Remove this. So the vendor here is USB. Okay, flash drive. Flash drive. There here. Okay. So the price, one quantity, the price example is $5. Okay, and then we set the vendor tax here. Then save the product. Okay, so if this is a existing product, or you have currently the items, you can update the quantity. So update quantity. Example, we have 10 on hand. Okay, we set using the on hand here. Okay, reordering rule. So this is for the rule. So we want to like the minimum quantity example is 5, then we once the minimum quantity is below 5, then we will reorder up to 10 quantity. So whatever is the current quantity. let's say 20. We save it. Okay. Okay, let's see in the POS if this is existing now. Session. Okay, let's just check in here. Put 0. So here, computer parts. See, you can see here. Okay, so we just need to cancel this. So cancel this. So we can see now the item from our POS. Then the next part is we need to set the reordering rule. We already set. Then how do we reorder the product? So okay, first I will order up to the so it will be on the minimum quantity. So we have 10 units. The minimum quantity is 5. So I will order 8. Okay, 8. So let's get payment, cash, validate. This is just a receipt. Then you order. I'm gonna close the session. So we have 80 sale. Close the session. Okay. Okay. So remember, before you always close if you want to reorder, so it will update the quantity. Okay. Right. So okay. We run the scheduler to generate the RFQ or the request for quotation. So we go to inventory. So inventory operation run scheduler. Alright. Okay. Then we go to purchase and open the RFQ. Let's go to purchase. Here you can see. So we click here. So we see the info that we're gonna order 18 because we set the max for 20 and we only have I think 2, so 18, so 20. Once you have this, you confirm the you print or you send the RFQ to the vendor. Okay, I just print it, but you can also send it via email. Then you can show this. Then once you're okay, then you can confirm the order here. Confirm the order. Alright. Then receipt is generated. So we go to inventory. There's a receipt here. So this one is this is for monitoring. So once you receive the item, you need to set the quantity they delivered quantities. So example is we have a 18, 18, and then we receive 18. Okay, so we validate, so we're good. So validated. All right, once validated, we go back to the purchase. Once we validated, we go to the purchase. Okay, purchase again, then this one, then we create a bill. All right, okay. So we set the bill date. Example, we build it today. Then confirm. Once you create the bill, then register the payment. You can edit this one. So we paid the vendor. So paid. Okay, so you can see all the PO here. Purchase. This one is done. So you have the receipts and the bill. All right. Register payments. Okay, that's it for today. And if you have questions, just comment. Thank you.